The Futura Plus window system is suitable for any type of building project, be it hospitals, schools, high-rise apartments, houses. It can be used in any of these situations. It has very good thermal performance and also has very slim sight lines. As you can see here, just 53mm at the head, sill and at the sides. This means inside your room you're getting a lot of light in through the glass and also getting extra solar energy. The Futura Plus handle is beautifully designed by Danish architects and has a 3-point function. When turned to 90 degrees and pushed out, it operates as a normal window handle. But if I close it again and take it as far as it will go and then push it outwards, it now locks into a ventilation catch. This gives a small, secure amount of ventilation into the room. It can be increased by turning the handle back and the gap opens slightly more. And then to close it, just take the handle all the way back and close your window. A lovely, beautiful, elegant handle. An important part of any window and door system is that it can resist burglary attacks. Now, Secure by Design is a police initiative, which means that window and door manufacturers have to have tests done to prove that their systems meet these requirements. Idealcombi have had these tests done. All the opening windows, operated by the handle, moves the espagnolet bolts into these very strong steel receivers, making the window very secure. Another requirement is for the glass not to be able to be removed by any burglars from the outside. We stop this by gluing the glass into the frames into the factory. This means it's almost impossible to take the glass out from the outside unless you come in onto the inside of the room and cut away the sills. This means the Futura Plus window system is a very secure system and works very well with the police in very vulnerable areas. Here we have the Futura Plus window system. It's a very unique system with many features, in particular its thermal properties and its air, wind and water performance. As you can see, the profile is very slim, just 53mm. This is the same when it's at the head or the sill. So you create a frame around the glass, giving it very much uniformity. The construction of the profile is 3 materials. On the inside, you have the beautiful feel of the timber. In the centre, you have a very innovative material called PER, which has a high thermal performance, giving it fantastic U values. And on the outside, you have aluminium, giving it the maintenance free and also a lot of colour option. Also within the construction, there are 2 gaskets, one at the front and one at the back here. This means you're getting a very high air, wind and water performance with the product. Any water that does get in is allowed to drain away on the PER, which is a good place for the water to lie because there's no reason for any rotting, and the water then drains away out at the bottom. In respect to condensation, again, because of its thermal performance, the temperature on the inside of your glass pane on a double glazed unit, as you can see here, the temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. That means you won't get condensation forming on the inside when the weather is freezing on the outside and at 20 degrees on the inside. Similarly, with the triple glazing, the temperature is even higher on the inside, again, so no chance of condensation. A further option with the Futura Plus system is the depth of frame. Here we have 149 from the front to the back. Another option is to increase this to 175. This gives the profile greater strength, particularly if you're in a windy location and you have very tall screens. With the Futura Plus outward opening systems, there is a number of functions. There's the top guided window with a handle at the bottom and the hinges down the side. There's the side hung window with the handle up the jamb. When you turn the handle down, this will engage a friction brake at the head, meaning it can be left in open in windy conditions. And there's a further option with a side guided window where it opens in the same way, but the sash slides across, allowing you to put your arm through to clean the glass from inside. The top swing window is designed to be able to be cleaned from inside. So with the handle at the bottom, you push the window out, which restricts it. Then to clean, simply flick the catch on the side and pull the sash down till it reverses back into the catch. This means it can now safely be cleaned. And then to reverse the window back, again lift the catch, push the sash down and reverse the window. The Futura Plus outward opening terrace door again has the option, if you turn the handle down, it will engage the friction brake, allowing you to leave it open in the wind. This particular example is a double door, so if I lift this lever, it disengages the bolts top and bottom, allowing it to open.